Morning traders, Nick Massandrea, Market Tea Leaders, here to bring our daily market buyers video for Friday, January 29th. It is the last day of last trading day of January 2016, and it's 5:10 a.m. in the morning. We're going to take a look at the overnight session. Asia traded up, with some of the exchanges trading into positive triple-digit territory. This is based on the news that the Bank of Japan has adopted negative interest rates. Currently, right now in Europe, and this is current and ongoing, all of Europe is trading to the upside, again, with some of the exchanges trading into positive triple-digit territory. Now, we're going to take a look at market correlation as it stands. Currencies in terms of U.S. dollars trading higher. It's been trading higher pretty much all morning long. Energies in terms of crude is also trading higher. There is no correlation between the U.S. dollar and crude as of this broadcast. Financials in terms of the bonds, all the bonds are trading to the upside. In fact, they're going into the upper stratosphere, if you will. And the indices themselves, in terms of the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average, all point to a higher open. Metals, however, is trading lower. There doesn't appear to be any fear factor, if you will, in terms of precious metals or gold. Now, we're going to take a look at the economic news we have on the docket today for the U.S. markets. We do have quite a bit. At 8:30 a.m., we have GDP, advanced GDP, GDP price index, employment cost, goods trade balance. At 9:45, we have Chicago PMI, which is considered to be major. In fact, all of these reports are pretty much major, if you will. At 10 a.m., we have revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. These are not considered to be major, only because they are revised numbers and they are not preliminary. The greater weight is associated with preliminary numbers as opposed to revised. All this being said, our bias is neutral. And the reason why we're saying this is very simply this. Everything is pointing to the upside. When everything is pointing pretty much to the upside and there is nothing pointing in the opposite direction, there's no correlation. And as such, it means the market's not very sure of itself because all boats are trying to rise at the same time. And it lends itself to a lot of volatility, hence our bias is neutral, which means the markets could go in any direction today. This is something to be very mindful of if trading. Best course of action on a day like today would be to wait till all the economic news comes out, judge market direction accordingly, and then decide. Could this change? Absolutely. Anything is possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.